Hey YouTubers, welcome back to Jack of All Trades. It's good to be back. I just wanted to give you a quick rundown of what we have going on here. We're going to be starting a new segment on the channel, which is going to just be the restoration project for my 1972 Buick Gran Sport 350. We're still going to be doing the DIY stuff whenever that comes up, but we're also going to split the channel off into this other segment. I just want to give you a quick rundown of the car. We're going to be doing upgrades on the car itself to make sure it's safe and reliable. And we're also going to be rebuilding a 455 Buick that came out of a 1975 Electra and putting that in the car and swapping out that 350. So anyway, I just want to give you a basic rundown of the car right now, give you an idea of what it sounds like, what it looks like before we start this project. And in further videos after this, we're going to go into more detail of what's been done to the car so far, what we have yet to do, and my plans for the future. All right, so stay tuned and check this out. So as you can see, that's not impressive at all, right? It's kind of cool to hear in the car. The car is fun to drive, but it's not scary. It's not loud. It has so really good paint job. I got real lucky with that. The paint's in great shape. The body's in great shape. There's a few spots that are rusted up a little bit. But as far as the bodywork and paint, I think we can, skip that. There's going to be other things that are more important. The 455 is going to be probably the most expensive part of it to get finished, and so that's going to be the main priority for the funds. Again, this is something that's done in my free time. It's a hobby, so it's going to be very strict budget. But anyway, stay tuned. Hit that like and subscribe button if you want to follow along on this journey, and I'll see you next time. Take care. Bye.